Kiss me with your eyes open. Kiss me with your eyes open. Kiss me with your eyes open.
Back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I know today's video is serving you tons of looks. I got a whole new wig, so I really wanted to do, you know, something like very like Barbie fluorescent type vibes with this. We are featuring a great lipstick that was sent to me. It's called Delilah's Collection. I'm very excited to be featuring this. She sent this to me via Instagram. That's how we connected. I'll be leaving her handle in the description box below. You can go check out her company. Go order you a lip gloss. These are, I think, actually it's a liquid lipstick. Go order you a liquid lipstick. That's actually what I have on here. I know, it's amazing. I don't really do pinks either, so I'm really happy with this pink and the way that it looks on me. Pinks are hard for me to pull off. I feel like I can do a lot of colors, but you know, pinks are here and there for me. I never have been able to find like that right perfect Barbie pink, and I definitely know I just found it. So we'll be sticking with this for a while. And yeah, you know, tell me guys what you think of today's look. I love the eye makeup for it. It's gonna be in the video, of course. You guys will get to see the whole tutorial. Everything I use will be in the video and in the description box. So yeah, if you're new, thank you for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe, like, share if you care. And yeah, let me stop talking and let's just jump right. Alrighty, love bugs, welcome back. We are gonna jump right into today's video. I'm super excited for today's look. I am so excited for today's look for so many different reasons. We're just jumping in with our NYX's eye primer, and I'm just applying that all over the lid. As you guys can see, I am doing the tape, you know, little thing that's going on here. I think I like using the tape when I'm creating my eye looks, so we're going to be sticking with that. Now we're going to be hopping into the NYX's Air palette. This is a brand new palette that I recently bought. It's called Air because the eyeshadows are just so beautiful and soft. I absolutely love the pink that's in there, and I had to do something with it. So now I'm just applying that pink all over the lid. The NYX's eyeshadow palette called Air. The eyeshadows don't have names. I might be able to see if they have names on the back. I will definitely grab that for you guys in the description box for you below. And so yeah, I'm just applying the pink all over the lid, making sure that we get it evenly on both sides of the eyelids. And I'm using the mirror in there. And then I'm going into my Urban Decay palette, the electric palette. You guys know I love this palette, and I'm taking that pink. Now that one does have a name, and I'll leave that in the description box below for you. And I'm taking that bright pink to like the outer edges, and I'm basically bringing it in and blending really heavy. I want the pink to look very vibrant, very fluorescent, so that's why I blended those two pinks, the one from the Urban Decay electric palette and the one from the NYX's Air palette. So now I'm just taking a little pink from the Air palette by NYX, and I'm just taking a BH Cosmetics brush that's, you know, kind of fluffy, able to blend out very well, and I'm just blending everything in. Then I am going into my Jahavis palette, taking that gorgeous rose gold shimmer color, and we're gonna take that on our eyebrows. And what we're doing here is we're just highlighting our brow bone. Simply highlighting the brow bone. I had to, you know, make sure everything was nice and even still. And now you guys can see I'm just removing the tape, cleaning it up, making sure things look to par. And now we're going in with a little bit of makeup art. I really enjoyed doing this simply because it was different for me. I haven't done anything like artsy in a while, so I decided why not. The ink that I'm using to create this like art eye is by Anastasia's Lip Kit palette. Everybody knows that that's like the go-to, just more than lips, so to speak. So I'm just creating like this gorgeous like outline, like cat wing outline, I guess you could say. I basically like outlined my whole eyelid. And then I'm just going back in and creating my wing, connecting everything together. Same thing with the other eye. Now we're going into the Tarte palette, and I'm just going to take that to the lower lash line. And I'm just making my eyes look more dramatic by bringing in a darker color on the outer creases of my lower lash line. And as you guys can see, I have this gorgeous, fun little pink glitter we're going to be using on the inner corners of my eyes. I had to use primer on the inner corners by NYX's to set it so I can ensure that my glitter stays. And I just applied my glitter on the inner corner of my eyes with my MAC 32 brush. Yeah, my MAC 32 angled brush. And I'm just dabbing that in there a few times, making sure the glitter doesn't get into my eyes. And then I'm just going in with my CoverGirl mascara. I love that mascara. And I'm just making sure that I apply mascara to my natural eyelash line. And then we're going in with Jeffree Star's highlight. This is by Jeffree Star, and this is called Dark Horse. You guys know I absolutely love this highlight. I use it in literally every video. I wanted to try something different though with the face serum that I got. And we're gonna go ahead and do what I usually see a lot of beauty gurus do here. And I'm just gonna apply the face serum to the area that I want. It looks all shiny right now. And then I'm gonna go back in with my brush and voila. It's so just poppin'. It's so highlighted. I don't even really know what to say. Like I couldn't get over that when I had initially did that in the video. And from that point on, I've literally been using this technique right here. Dabbing my face serum, my like oil serums on my face before applying my highlight, and then just going in with my highlight and making it just look extremely glowing. A bitch is glowing. And plus his highlight does justice anyway. Now we're going in with these gorgeous eyelashes that I found at the Beauty Depot store down south. They have these like gorgeous like diamond studs on them. I live for the dramatic looks. So basically we're just applying the eyelash glue to the eyelash bend, and what I'm doing is I'm blowing on it to make it a little bit more tacky before I actually apply it to the lid. And the reason why you want to make sure the glue is tacky is because if you apply your lash band to your eyelash while it's like brand new glue, it's going to be sliding everywhere. And as you guys can see, it makes it a lot easier for me to adjust, you know? So I've already applied my other eyelash basically, and I'm just adjusting it. And the reason why you want the glue to be tacky is so you can do this right here. Mess around with it, adjust it, get it to look as natural as possible. And you see those gorgeous diamonds? I love this look. It's coming right along. And I'm just going back over my lash band with my eyeliner. And my apologies, that eyeliner I'm using is by L'Oreal. Absolutely love it. We're almost done with the look. Thank you so much for tuning in the video. I hope you guys are loving how it's coming along so far. This is probably one of my, you know, like all-time favorite pink eyes. I'm very impressed with it. I love, you know, being a little bit creative, a little bit artistic, and that's why I did like the little black in there. So thought that was pretty cool. And of course I had to add glitter for that pop, and decided to, get some gorgeous lashes. I actually got these down at just like the Beauty Depot store, hoping you guys can see them while my eyes are closed. So now we're going to talk about the lipstick that I'm using. I'm actually not using my Anastasia palette. I know most of you guys are used to seeing me use that, but today we are actually going to be talking about a liquid lipstick that was sent to me by Delilah's Collection. It's super, super cute packaging. The company had reached out to me to basically do a makeup look, kind of like talk about it. They didn't ask me to, but this is just something that I like to do in terms of talking about it. So this is the lipstick packaging. This is how it came. Very beautiful. Ingredients is on the back, which is really nice. I'm just gonna read what it contains. It contains shea butter, oiled almond oil, castor oil, beeswax. It also has, as far as the ingredient, it has mica, titanium dioxide, brotone nitrogide, but can't say that word, guys, sorry. pigment dyes. So, you know, that definitely, you know, lets you know what's in it. The website is on the bottom. You can also go to their Instagram. I will be leaving their handle below, as well as everything I use in today's video. It came in this packaging. It was, you know, kind of big, but that's okay. You know what I'm saying? So I don't mind that. And so the packaging wasn't too badly damaged or anything like that. It's a matte black, so I do like that. And I open it, and it's a nice, thick, gorgeous, like, liquid lip gloss. I seriously just love, like, how heavy it feels. It feels really heavy. The top is nice and matte. Pull it out. The brush seems decent, you know. We'll try that out. I'm really excited for the color. I'm going to go ahead and do a swatch right here, just because we'll see, because this is a liquid matte, I believe. So we will see how long that takes. Over here talking to you guys. I'm going to just take this finger. Okay, so it's not quite dry yet. It still has that kind of... So we'll see here. Definitely has a stain to it, it looks like. I'm gonna just try to wipe this all on the back of my hand and see how much comes off. So there is a stain. Okay, I'm gonna take my wipes and just see how long the stain takes to wipe off. Because I mean, liquid matte lipsticks do stain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wipes. A little staining, but not too bad. Okay, still waiting for that to dry a little. So it is dry, has that stain type feel to it. And that's what it looks like when it's nice and dry. So I'm actually nice and like cute. Take this mirror and we're gonna go ahead and apply Delilah. And this color, by the way, is Seduce. I requested this color. I took a look at like all the colors they had, and I was like, oh, I want Seduce. You know, I've never had a color quite like this. I think it's beautiful, and I'm really excited to see how it looks. And let's go. And I'm excited to see how the brush feels too. So the brush is nice. This smells good. Glides on well. The brush is like perfect for like angling and things like that. I like the brush. I'm happy with it. So far, I'm digging it. I have never really used pink lipsticks or liquid lipsticks. What are we thinking, guys? What are we thinking? Are we liking? Are we not? Too Barbie going on? I think I love it. Like, seriously. Is my lighting okay for you guys? I mean, I have this gorgeous ring light. So it definitely dries pretty quick. Yeah, it dries hella quick.
Kiss me with your eyes open, so you can see me when I'm melting. Kiss me with your eyes open, they dilate when you hold me close. Kiss me with your eyes open.
definitely dries quick. Totally okay, you know. I'm simply adding more because I want to, not because I feel like it needs it. Okay, and I think we are done. I'm gonna go ahead and just put my Delilah's. This is again Seduce. I'm gonna put this away, put my wipes away, and we are gonna just hop right back into that.
With your eyes open, so you could see me when I'm melting. Kiss me with your eyes open. They dilate when you hold me close. Kiss me with your eyes open. Kiss me with your eyes open.
All right, love bugs. Again, thank you so much for tuning in today's video. I hope you guys love the video, love the overall look. I am so happy with the overall look. This is a brand new wig. I had to do this, you know, like whole look for you guys. I wanted to just serve for you guys. It's I guess this is like a Barbie pink fluorescent look we got going on here. Again, we're featuring Delilah's lipstick, Seduce. Definitely go check out her collection. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box below. I'm so excited to, you know, be sharing that with you guys. Definitely check out the Instagram once again, and be sure to check out the description box for all of the stuff that I use in today's video. I'll also be leaving, you know, just like a little link of the hair. The hair that, like, where I got my wig is a local store, so I will see if I can find like the brand who makes like these wigs on Instagram. I'm sure there's somewhere, because I gotta let them know, you know what I'm saying. So again, thank you for tuning in. If you're new, thank you for watching today. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share if you care, and you know, leave me suggestions for the next and upcoming video. Remember, once we hit 500 subscribers, we start giveaways, so don't forget, love bugs. Thank you so much for everyone who's been sticking by me. The Tejan fam bam, you guys are amazing. More stuff to come always. Yeah, we're just growing consistently. June is a great month. I have a lot of good stuff coming out for you guys this June, so stay tuned, and ciao, love bugs. Ciao.